Electric bike detection is designed mainly to prevent electric bikes from entering indoor fixed areas. For example, elevators and corridors. Usually, the light in elevators is stable and sufficient for detecting the entry of electric bikes and generating alarms promptly. To meet service quality requirements, you need to ensure that the camera's angle of view covers the required detection area. The camera is located away from sources of vibration. The camera does not directly face light sources or reflective surfaces. And the camera can capture clear images without sudden light changes. To ensure that the valid detection area is in the center of the image with no deviation, you are advised to install the camera in the top back corner of the elevator, or mount it to the rear wall to cover staircases and corridors, with a downtilt angle from 45 degrees to 60 degrees. In some elevators, there may be advertising signs or media players that display targets and electric bikes that trigger false detection and alarms. To prevent this issue, you can first adjust the camera's angle of view. If that does not resolve the issue, you can then draw in ROI. The length of a detected electric bike cannot exceed half of the image. 50% or more of the electric bike should be captured. For better detection accuracy, ensure that the short side of the electric bike is 32 pixels or more in a 1920x 1080 video and 43 pixels or more in a 2560x 1920 video. Now, let's take a look at some images for a deeper understanding. The example shown on the left is the recommended installation scenario. Because the camera fully captures the elevator and the electric bike is discernible at a required resolution with a length less than half of the image. Also, the camera's view is not obscured and there are no sudden light changes or advertising signs. The two scenarios on the right should be avoided. In the first picture, the camera cannot detect the electric bike completely. The recommended downtilt angle ranges from 45 degrees to 60 degrees. You need to adjust the camera's angle of view to ensure that it can detect the electric bike completely. In the second image, the proportion of an electric bike to the image is too large. If the camera supports zooming, properly zoom out the lens. Alternatively, you are advised to use a prime lens wide-angle camera.